In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set alerts on TradingView so you can get notified the moment price or indicators hit your levels. First, open your chart on TradingView. Once you're on the chart, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen. Look for the alert icon. It looks like a small bell. Click on it. Now click on Create Alert. This will open the alert settings window where you'll set everything up. Start with the condition section. Here, choose what you want to track. For a basic alert, select the price of your asset. Next, choose the rule. For example, select greater than if you want to get notified when price moves above a certain level. Then enter your value. It's best to place this slightly above your key level to avoid false triggers. Now move to Notify On. Choose every time if you want alerts repeatedly or once if you only want a single notification. After that, set your expiration so the alert doesn't stay active longer than needed. You can also add a custom message so you instantly know why the alert was triggered. Once everything looks good, click Create and your alert is now active. If you want to use an indicator, create another alert and select something like RSI in the condition. Set it to crossing and enter a value like 75. Choose your time frame based on your strategy, then set it to trigger once to avoid repeated alerts. Click Create and you're done. And that's it. By setting alerts in TradingView, you can stay on top of the market without constantly watching your screen.